In 1932, Australia declared war on birds and lost. After World War I, veterans became farmers in Western Australia, but 20,000 emus invaded their land, destroyed crops, drank their water. The government sent soldiers with machine guns. First attack, emus scattered. Soldiers couldn't hit them. Emus ran 50 miles per hour, zigzagging. Second attack, guns jammed. Emus charged. Soldiers fled. Newspapers mocked them. Emu War, they called it. After weeks, the military admitted defeat. Emus won. Casualties? 986 emus dead. 0 emus surrendered. Australia lost a war to birds. Follow for more weird history.